Turkish desserts, let's see. Loco, loca, number 10. Flisticlili balava, number 6.
Huh?
Very good. Tululumbu Tbilisi, number 2, I know. Number 2, Civizli Sanjok, number 8. Let's see. Jengril Birligi, number 9. Very good. Kakashvili, number 7. I know. Let's see. Hishivili Ravioli, number 4. Very good. Shakespeare, number 1, of course. William Shakespeare.
Nice.
Loco, number 5.
Ebelik omu.
Chocolate baklava.